do it after the burial.
After the burial, you
That's
can
what
you will be stressed after burial. And then make a chum who will not allow you to so far you people have time. It's a nice job.
Very important for my profession today.